So why do we need to use place value anyway?
Oh, I know.
Why do you think?
Well, because what if you have a number 450? And what if you had to write 450 lines to represent your number? Then that would take you way too long.
Right.
And it would be hard.
That's right. So if we had a big number, a really large number like 400, say, how would we write 400 if we didn't have numbers or place values?
It would be really complicated and hard.
So let's try a number. Let's try a small number that we can actually work with, okay? Because 400 would take a long time to write. Let's try a number like 20, okay? If we didn't have numbers, we didn't know that this meant 2 10s and that meant 0 1s, what would be a way that we could write it?
You could do tally marks.
You could do tally marks, right? So let's count them. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20 marks to write 20, which we could do that pretty quick with the number 20.
Mm-hmm.
But how would you like to do that with the number 400?
I wouldn't.
I would not like it.
No. And what about if you had to tell somebody a whole bunch of numbers? You had to tell them 400,
Like
300.
to add them up.
That's right. How would we add those up?
That'd be hard.
We'd be writing it all day.
We'd be writing all day. So that's not a very good system. But our base 10 system, does that work pretty good?
Oh, yes.
That is a pretty good system. So, which system do you think you like better? The one where we write marks or the base 10 system with place value?
Base 10 place value.
The base 10 with place value. So, we know that we like learning that system because it's why. Why do we like it?
Because it's easier and faster.
It's easier and faster. That's right. I love that. So now, boys and girls, tomorrow we are going to be working on more place value. Guess what? Hundreds is not the last column to learn. There's many more columns. We're going to learn a new column of place value tomorrow, okay? And something else that we can use place value for, when we add numbers and we subtract numbers, place value is extremely important.
They have to go in their place.
That's right.
They have to line them up.
That's right. They have to go in their place and they have to line up. That's exactly right, Cameron. So learning place value helps us in all kinds of ways, okay? Mm-hmm. So you guys have done a great job today, and I'm very proud of you. I hope that you've learned something today. And don't forget later on today to make sure you copy down our rules of place value and several of our examples so that when you get caught up when you're on a problem, you can go back and look, okay?
Okay.
All right. And I would just like to thank Cameron and Casey, my 2 helpers today. These are my nieces, and they came to help me out with our place value lesson.
Hi.